friends, I'm Steph from CheapskateCook.com and StephanieJenkins.com, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make one of my family's favorite side dishes. It is really easy, it is flavorful, and it is very budget friendly and made with real food. So I can't wait to show it to you. I'm talking about those really delicious, seasoned rice packets. I've honestly never even bought one. I just know that I've had it at different people's houses and they talk about these little seasoned rice packets and they're so delicious and so easy. But when we were on $25 a week, buying things like seasoned rice packets was honestly out of our budget. So I learned to take the plain white rice that we had already at home and add a few things to it to make a really delicious seasoned rice, okay? So this is called Mediterranean yellow rice. It's delicious, and even my kids request this as a side dish pretty regularly. So we're gonna make it. I grew up not really liking rice, but this rice was really delicious, and rice is really inexpensive. So if you're on a tight budget and you're trying to find some good whole food carby things to eat, rice is it. So if you can find some way to make rice that your family loves, that will really help you save money and eat better. The key to this Mediterranean yellow rice is this guy right here. This is just a jar of turmeric from the grocery store. It's the same kind of spice that you put in mustard to give it that yellow color. So it's just a natural food dye, but you add it to the rice and instantly it turns yellow. And I don't know why yellow looks more appealing than white rice, but it does, and we love it. Plus turmeric also does add some flavor to the rice. It is one of the more expensive spices, but a jar this size will last you a really long time. So I go ahead and I buy it once every, a couple of years. It probably needs to be changed out more often than that, but I'm not gonna throw away a spice. Then we just add some garlic so it's seasoned and it's really delicious, and then just salt and pepper, and that's it, you guys. You don't need to buy a seasoning packet from the grocery store. If you have these spices, you can totally make this at home. In our family, we typically serve this with chicken or even just seasoned ground beef, and then a big salad or some steamed vegetables on the side. Just rice, salad, and some kind of protein. But this is a really inexpensive side dish, so we make it quite often. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment sharing your favorite budget-friendly side dish below. I'm Steph from CheapskateCook.com, and I hope to see you again soon for more ways to save money and eat healthy. And welcome to my, is one of my family's very favorite, the key, it is one of the more expensive rices.